So this boat came with an electrical issue with the fuse panel. So we went through all the fuses and go ahead and touch them, show. So we got power, that's ground, that's why it's negative. And that's power, that's red. Power, 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 and power.
The other side of the power board.
Yeah, bus. So all of that's working. So the horn doesn't work.
Lights should be on.
Lights turn on. Okay. And lights on.
This bilge pump.
Bilge pump. Working. Aerator's working. Accessories, whatever that's supposed to power up. But it lights up on the panel. So everything's good. The lighter works. Ground on the lighter. All right, it looks like you got it fixed.